In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an app using only AI, using Lovable. We'll start right from your browser. Open Google and head to the home page. In the search bar, type Lovable. This is the AI-powered platform we'll use to generate the first version of your app without writing code by hand. In the search results, click through to the official Lovable website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your dashboard. Once you're inside Lovable, the most important thing you can do is set a global system prompt before generating anything. Think of this as the project's brief that guides every choice the AI makes, from structure to styling. In your prompt, clearly describe the purpose of your app or site. Spell out the pages or screens you need, like a home page, a dashboard, a settings screen, or an onboarding flow. Specify your tech preferences, such as using React and Tailwind, or whether you expect API calls to fetch data. Share the design style you're going for, whether that's clean and minimal, playful and colorful, or something that matches an existing brand. Finally, include any integration requirements, like authentication, analytics, or third-party services. The more precise you are, the fewer rewrites you'll need later. Here's a quick example you can adapt. Build a simple expense tracker with a landing page, sign-up/login, a dashboard showing recent transactions and charts, and a settings page. Use React and Tailwind, fetch mock data from an API endpoint, and keep the design minimal with clear spacing and accessible contrast. Tight, actionable prompts help the AI make confident decisions. After you've written your system prompt, click Submit. Lovable will generate your initial app structure and design based on those instructions. Give it a moment to compile everything. When the preview loads, you'll see your project come to life. From here, you can fine-tune the details. Open the visual editor to make design adjustments without touching code. Start by refining margins and spacing to create a consistent rhythm between sections. Small spacing tweaks go a long way toward a professional look. Adjust colors to match your brand or to improve readability. Keep contrast high for accessibility. Change the background, solid, gradient, or subtle texture to set the overall tone. As you edit, preview different screen sizes to ensure your layout looks great on mobile and desktop. Think of this phase as polishing. Align elements, tighten typography, and keep components consistent across pages. That's it. By starting with a thoughtful system prompt and then refining in the visual editor, you can build a functional, good-looking app using only AI.